Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a grandfather clock out of cardboard. First, gather your materials. You'll need several large sheets of sturdy cardboard, a reliable craft knife, and a metal ruler for precise cuts. Don't forget a strong adhesive, like hot glue or wood glue, to secure your pieces. A cutting mat is also essential to protect your table. Having these items ready will make the construction process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Now let's construct the main body of our clock. Begin by cutting your cardboard into 3 primary sections: a sturdy base, a tall, slender column, and a decorative top. For instance, make your base about 18 inches wide by 12 inches deep, and the column can stand around 60 inches high. Carefully glue these pieces together, paying close attention to keeping everything perfectly square. This foundational step is crucial for the stability and overall appearance of your finished grandfather clock. Next, we'll focus on the clock face and those classic embellishments. Cut a perfect circle, about 10 inches in diameter, from a separate piece of cardboard for your clock face. Securely attach this to the upper section of your column, making sure it's perfectly centered. Then, craft a faux pendulum and weights from smaller cardboard scraps. These details, even if non-functional, truly bring the grandfather clock aesthetic to life, adding depth and character to your creation. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and personalization. You can paint your entire clock with acrylic paints to mimic wood, or use markers for intricate designs. For a realistic touch, consider applying wood grain contact paper. Don't forget to add the numbers and hands to your clock face. You can draw them or print them out. These final steps allow you to truly make this cardboard grandfather clock uniquely yours, reflecting your personal style and creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.